Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a while. I apologize. Trying to find motivation to record has been, or even just to edit, has been pretty difficult. I'm not gonna lie. But I wanted to give you guys some updates and then show you some items that I got in a box that was sent to me. I was sent a Glossybox so that I could show you guys what's in it for the month of July, so I'm going to do that as well. But I wanted to show you my office has been changed around a little. So my desk used to be over here under this window, which is a bit bigger than this window. So, especially since this one is eastern facing, it allows more sunlight to come in. So I was getting blinded in my face, which is why I have the temporary blinds. But I decided to move my desk, give me a little more sunlight, and kind of honestly make this feel a bit bigger and more open. I moved my desk to this wall so you can see my desk is here. The door is really close, but not bad. See, perfect. I have an IKEA plant over here that I recently got that Shiloh likes to keep eating. I moved my puzzle desk over here, though in the longer term goal is to have a chair over here, put the puzzle table in front of it. It's collapsible, so when I'm not using it, I can put it away, put it in the closet. And then the bookshelf is still here, though long term, I'm not sure that I'm going to keep this bookshelf. This is the Billy from IKEA. I think it's one of the better, cheaper bookshelves that you can get out there. But I kind of want to make this office seem more open. Instead of having like the closed sides and the closed back, I kind of want more of a ladder style bookshelf over here to house the pop figures, and then figure out if there's enough space to put the books. What do I do with those? Those are the updates on my office. It's a little messy on the floor, so forgive me. I've got to put some stuff away. But yeah, and then don't mind, I've got my work set up over here with my stickers. I've got a Pikachu sticker on here, and then on Wednesdays we wear pink sticker. I had that sticker for so long and then I never used it, and then when I got this job I was like, you know what, onto that laptop. So that's my work laptop. But yeah, so that's my office. And because I haven't showed you guys, oh my god, hi you don't usually come upstairs. Come here. No, Shiloh's in the basement. Come here. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. I don't usually come up here, but I did. I'm so proud of you, girly. Oh, are you going to go down? No, you want to check out this room? No, you can't come in here. Just wanted to give you guys an update. So I got a bed frame. This bed frame is just like a aluminum or something bed frame from Wayfair a couple of weeks ago before, conspiracy theories started flying. But so I got this. It was like $120. And then I got this bed from IKEA. It's a firm memory foam mattress. So it was like $300. It's super firm, so I'll probably get a mattress topper to put on top of it, but at least we have a guest bed in here. I got these two kind of like end tables from IKEA as well. Really simple to put together. And I don't know that that's going to stay in here forever. I might put this one in my office and put the plant on top of it, just so it's a little higher and so that my cats have a harder time eating the plant. And then we have a desk over here for when we set up a guest setup. So if any of the guys or anybody comes and visits that wants to play video games, wants to record, they'll have a setup in here. And then installed our fan and light kit. So this is the third one I've installed in this house. We have one more, but I don't know that I'm going to put it in because we had originally gotten it for Scott's office, but he doesn't have a light outlet down there. But it is remote controlled, and we actually love these. These are from the Merienda brand, I believe. They're kind of expensive, but they're really worth it. Very useful. So those are some of the updates I have around the house. I'm not sure if Daisy is still up here. So I wanted to just show you guys real quick what I got from this month's Glossybox. I want to say thank you for Glossybox sending me out this box. No, I'm not sponsored by them, but they did send me this box for free so I could show you guys what's in the box this month. So this month's theme is Aloha, and this box is actually really pretty and it's pretty hefty. I kind of really like this packaging as opposed to like the BoxyCharm packaging. I feel like, yes, there's a theme for BoxyCharm, but this is kind of more, I don't know, solid, put together. Yes, you get your BoxyCharm box. It looks the same every single month, which is really nice and reliable. But this, it came in another box, but this is so, I don't know. It's so formal and pretty. So Glossybox is $21 a month subscription box where you get full size to deluxe samples. I think you sometimes get like regular size samples maybe, but you get full size products and deluxe samples of products. And I think when you spend the $21, your expected value for the box is about $60. I'm really interested. I've never opened a Glossybox before. This is kind of like a step up from the Ipsy, but not quite where BoxyCharm is. So if you're looking for something that's a bit more compact in terms of how many products you get, the size of the product. Problem with BoxyCharm is I end up with a lot of skincare products or a lot of makeup, some of which I'm never going to use and some of which I have to work to go through. A smaller samples box is probably for some people a better option just because you get smaller size products that you can go through faster instead of committing to a full product, but not quite like an Ipsy or like a Sephora Play where you get smaller samples, but I got a lot of repeats in Ipsy. I mean, a lot of repeats. So I'm excited to dive in. First off, you get this card, which I'm assuming is going to tell you all about the products that are inside. Yes, and it tells you if they're deluxe samples or full-size products. So I'm going to start with the first, which is the Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil, which is from Manu Skin. So this is that product. The scent is sandalwood and lavender, which are beautiful scents, especially together. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, that smells good. It honestly smells like a candle, which might be too much for a facial oil. I'm assuming that these are they're lavender oil, sandalwood oil, but I'm really interested. I might not put this on my face just because I'm trying to not put super fragranted things onto my face, but I wouldn't be against putting this on the inside of my wrist or on my neck, almost as like a perfume because it does have a really potent smell. I'm curious to see how long this lasts on the skin. This product is 30 milliliters. The full-size product is 100 milliliters, and the full-size product costs $39. So this is about a third of that in here. So that's cool. The next item is the Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber, which unfortunately for me, I already took this out of the bag. Unfortunately for me, this is torn. So not sure if you can see, it's kind of busted open, but I'm not really too concerned about that. You can pretty easily stitch that up probably, but this is a body scrubber. So something that you just use with soap. So not crazy. I actually like a lot of the Daily Concepts products. What's really cool about this product is it says, replace me when writing fades. So you can actually tells you if it'll focus when to get rid of this product, which I think is actually kind of great in the sense that when you get, do people call them spoofs? I don't know if people call them spoofs. I do. The sponges that you use in the shower to lather up and soap your body. I feel like we always keep them a lot longer than we need to because they get so messed up and loose that they just aren't quite as good anymore. So it's kind of cool that there's something on here that's get rid of me. I like that. This product is $12. So right there, based on the value or the worth of these products, we're pretty much at the price of the box. The next item in here is the Northern Lights Smoothing Fluid, which this, guys, there's something about it. It smells good. It smells so good. It's very fresh. I really, really like the smell of this product. This is a deluxe size. It's 25 milliliters, which is worth $22. The full size is 50 milliliters and worth $46. So I actually am really excited about this. It's not the scent isn't so strong that it might be too much for my face with Siberian olive. So I'm actually really excited about this product. I've never heard of this brand Polar, but it smells really good. So again, that's a $22 product. We're already above the price of the box. Up next is the Monoi Coconut Oil Conditioner. And you actually get 2 of these. Each pack is about 50 milliliters. So you get 100 milliliters, about 3.5 ounces as well. So this says that the full size which is 12 ounces, is $6. So this is only a couple dollars worth, but that's still pretty cool. I'm glad that we actually got 2. I don't tend to put conditioner on the top of my head. I put it like from here down mostly. And girl, this needs to be managed. So that's kind of cool. I always love to get new conditioners. The next product, which I actually had on my desk, is the Palm Balm from the Beauty Crop, which actually this brand is showing up in a lot of Boxy, subscription boxes. I know BoxyCharm has a bunch of Beauty Crop right now on their add-on store, but this product is full size. It's $21. Again, this is like pretty good value for this box, to be honest. So this is good for both your lips and or cheek, kind of like that milk product I got in a BoxyCharm, I think. I'm not sure that I would use this for my cheeks, but that's the color. It's actually like, it shows up pretty true to color on camera, which could just be my lighting, and I don't think it's not overly pigmented, which is good. So that is the color on my hand. That's its swatch. It's not overly pigmented, but it is a pretty color. Like I said, this is a $21 product. So just from these 2 products alone, you have the box in each of these products, like the cost of the box. Those are pretty good. And then I believe the last product, yes, is the Freeman Beauty Hawaiian Black Salt Peel Off Deep Cleansing Mask. Oh, this one says 3 to 4 uses. So that's this product. You get 3 to 4 uses. What I really actually like about this packaging, and I feel like most places don't do this for like their deluxe samples or even for other products, is it's a squeeze tube, but it has a cap. So you can take this off. I'm going to open it right now. You can take this off, squeeze out whatever product you need, and put the cap back. Now, granted, that's more plastic. Sure, a lot of companies don't want to spend the extra half a cent to put that on there, but I think that's a really good addition. And this product is 1.18 fluid ounces. The full size product is 6 fluid ounces and costs $4.29. So again, 75 cents worth of product, but still you get 3 to 4 uses and it's got a cap on it. Really like that. So that was all that was in the Glossybox for the month of July. If you guys want to sign up and get your own Glossybox, make sure to use my discount code Fissy to get 22% off. Thank you again to Glossybox for sending me this. I really, really appreciate it. So thanks for watching. I hurt my neck.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Like and subscribe.
My neck, my shoulder hurts. I'm really sore from working out.
I'm sorry.
And everything hurts. I saw you before I screamed. I'm in the middle of like tear laughing. Like and subscribe for more being scared.